Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Go to Settings on your iPhone to begin syncing Google Contacts. Open accounts or passwords and accounts depending on your iOS version. Tap Add Account and choose Google from the list. Sign in with your Google email and password and complete any two-factor verification steps. When prompted, grant the account permission to access contacts. Toggle contacts to on and then tap Save to start the sync. Wait a few minutes for the cloud to download contacts to your device. Open Settings and navigate to Accounts, then choose Add Account and tap Other. Select Add Card DAV account to configure a manual sync connection. For server, enter Google.com and put your full Google email as the username. Enter your account password or a 16-character app password if you use two-factor authentication. Add a short description so you can identify this account later. Tap Save and return to Contacts. Card DAV sync begins. Open a browser and sign into Contacts. Google.com to export contacts. Select the contacts or the entire group and choose Export as a vCard file. On a computer, sign into iCloud.com using your Apple ID credentials. Open Contacts on iCloud and use the gear menu to import vCard and select the file you exported. On your iPhone, open Settings, tap your Apple ID, then iCloud and enable contacts to sync. The imported vCard contacts will appear on your iPhone within minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.